Torres screen protector for the iPhone 16 Pro Max. Let's install it right now. This tray makes it super easy to install. What you do is you use the pieces right here to set up. You got your wipe so you can clean the screen, and it has everything you need right here. It's a 4-step process, which is very standard and simple. You got your wet wipe here. The first thing to do is clean the screen with a wet wipe, and it says number 1, so you can't miss that. And we're gonna take this out and use the wet wipe. Wet wipe is here. Clean the screen with the wet wipe, like so. Make sure there are no dust particles. This removes the dust and any fingerprint from your screen. Very important process. Then, number 2 is you use this one. This is the dry wipe. So you're gonna wipe it dry with this. There we go, wiping it dry. And usually this wipe right here does a really good job of cleaning the screen. If you see any dust particles, I would try to wipe them off personally. That way it is easier and you can skip the next step. What I mean by that is the next step is these adhesive stickers you can use to remove any particles. I usually skip this because I think it's really clean already. So I'm gonna move this to the side. We do have a little squeegee here. And what you wanna do is you wanna get this case right here with the screen protector already installed inside, and top is on the top. Make sure your phone is at the top right here. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna put your phone right on top of that, and make sure to be very careful not to touch the screen. Put your phone on like that, and this is the top right here, and now it's ready to go. So flip it up like this. I do suggest you turn off your phone. Oops, I just turned it on, ironically. So the phone is booting up, but we're gonna go ahead and pull this tab right here, and this tab right here will just install the screen protector for you. You can watch the action right here. You don't have to put too much pressure. I do like to put a little bit of pressure right here as I pull this tab, and you can see right there the screen protector is being installed. Very easy. And then give this thing about 5 seconds. You see how it's spreading the adhesive? That's how the screen protector is working. So it's moving through here, and it's gonna install the screen protector for you. And then you may have some air bubbles. That's why you have this little squeegee right here. So once that's moved, you can see there's 2 air bubbles right here. So we're gonna lift this right here and see if we can get rid of those air bubbles. So my screen protector is now installed, but there may be some air bubbles. So let's see right there. Yes, there's 2 air bubbles. You got one here and one there. So if you have any air bubbles, go ahead and use the included squeegee and squeegee out those air bubbles. Once the air bubbles are out, your screen protector is installed, and now you have a protection on your phone, so you're not afraid of cracking your screen because the screen protector helps protect your screen. This is a Torres screen protector, and it's installed. Oh yeah!